Vans. Today we have in store is going to the tire shop to get the rally wheels mounted on the rubber. We got the rubber today and we're heading on down there. Hopefully you caught that. Not quite sure if you did, but hope so. But I'll turn you back on after we get to the tire shop and we get them all mounted and balanced. Alright, check back soon. There we have it. We have the rally wheels hooked up to the brand new tires. Oh yeah, it's gonna look epic. Gonna look good on the old GMC. Also, you can see we got drop spindles and a flip kit for the back. So that will be what we will be putting on next. See how well that goes. Make sure and stay tuned to see the big reveal.